Hey, my name's Karen and I've got this pumpkin here that needs a quick Halloween makeover. Let's get into it. So first up, we're going to take a pumpkin and using a saw, we're going to cut a hole in the bottom of it. So once that's done, grab your spoon and we're going to scoop out the insides. So with a pencil, we're going to outline the shape of a moon, but you can do whatever shape you want. Using a drill bit, we're going to put holes along the sketch line. All that's left to do now is to add some battery operated lights to light it up. And a good tip is to put the lid back on so we don't lose the battery. Right off the bat, we're going to paint our pumpkins. Today I'm using white, but you can use any colour you like. Now that our pumpkin's dry, it's time for the fun part. Dip your thumb into the craft paint and imprint it onto the pumpkin. I'm using orange, but you can use any colour you like. We're using white paint on this pumpkin to make ghosts. Using black craft paint and a brush, we're going to paint the eyes and the mouth. And now we're going to paint green stems onto our pumpkin. Place your pumpkin at the front door for an effective Halloween display.